Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking power and connections. Make sure the case and both earbuds show charge and the LED behaves normally. Once done, clean the contact pins and mesh gently to remove dirt that blocks connection. Next, forget the Realme Airpods in your phone Bluetooth list and switch your phone's Bluetooth off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears cached pairings. These steps fix most software and contact issues immediately and prepare the buds for repairing. Now you diagnose methodically. Test each earbud solo. Place the working bud in the case and try to connect only the problematic bud to isolate the issue. If it still fails, swap the physical positions in the charging case to test for misaligned pins. While doing this, watch the LED patterns and listen for any static or faint audio. That tells you if it's charging, hardware contact, or a speaker fault. This targeted approach saves time and identifies whether the case or the bud is at fault. For final resolution, perform a factory reset. Place both buds in the case, hold the pairing button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. Make sure to update firmware through Realme Link if available, because software patches often fix unilateral audio issues. If one bud remains silent despite charging and resets, test with a different phone to rule out device-specific Bluetooth bugs. If it still fails, service or warranty replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.